If you grill or smoke a lot like I do, you're gonna end up with leftovers. A little while back, I made some al pastor pork out on the grill, and today I'm gonna use the leftovers from that, which have been frozen, and we're gonna make some terrific al pastor sandwiches. Yeah, leftovers to me are like enjoying something a second and third time because you don't have to have it the same way. You can change it, get inventive, get creative, and that's what I'm doing today. Now, first thing we're gonna get ready is a topping for our al pastor sandwiches. Now here I've got a great mixture of ingredients that I diced up earlier. I have some red onions, some jalapenos, some red bell peppers, some orange bell peppers, and some mango. Now the mango is not really a great dice. You can see they're sort of long, but they're gonna work great. Now this was about half of a medium red onion, 1 medium red bell pepper, 1 medium orange bell pepper, 1 jalapeno, and about half a cup of mango that I diced up. So let's go ahead and build this into something that's gonna be a great topping. I wanna get all my ingredients in this bowl. To this, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Got a nice mixture of sweet and heat in here. I'm gonna give just a good pinch of kosher salt. That's looking good. Let's move on to our next ingredient. Next thing we're gonna use is about a half cup of salted toasted cashews. I'm gonna get these in a Ziploc bag here. And I just wanna break these down a bit. Just like that. Now, if you don't like cashews, you could use pecans, walnuts, whatever you like. All right, let's get our al pastor pork out here. All right, I have a skillet on my stove on a medium-high heat, and here is our leftover al pastor pork from that previous video. I vacuum sealed it, then I froze it and just thawed it out a couple days ago, and it is looking good. Actually, a little taste, it's great, even cold. Still has chunks of pineapple in there. We're gonna go ahead and heat this up, and we're gonna add a cup of green enchilada sauce. Just pick your favorite green enchilada sauce from the store. We'll let that heat up a little bit before we add our green enchilada sauce. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat down to low and I'm gonna put a lid on that pan and let it go for about 10 minutes just so everything comes up to temp and all those flavors come out. So our al pastor pork is all heated up with that green enchilada sauce. I'm using pretzel buns today. I toasted them up. So let's go ahead and start building this sandwich. First thing, I wanna get a little bit of lettuce down here. Now I wanna get some of our pork on here. Next up, I want to add those crushed cashews because that's a nice little bit of texture here, a little crunchiness. So I'm just going to sprinkle some on here. Now for some of our topping. And if it falls off, so what? That is looking really good even without the top bun. But we got to get that on there and crown it so we can have a taste. There we go. Our al pastor sandwich with our homemade, what are we going to call that topping? It's got bell peppers, jalapeno, it's got mango, lime juice, onion. Anyone got a name for that? Just put it down in the comments. I'm not sure, but this was looking good. It's time to taste. Here we go. That is tasty. That green enchilada sauce doesn't overpower the flavor, it just brings it up. Because that al pastor flavor from all the marinade that it had when we originally cooked it, and the pineapple, everything all comes together here. Love the crunch from the nuts, the flavor from that topping. Again, this is one of the fun things that I love about leftovers. Taking something you served it one way, turning it into something completely different, and that's incredibly tasty.